Hi guys, this is Lucas. I'm upstairs in my dad's office and I'm going to make a video to open this. It's called the Amazon Dot. Oh.
How's the front look? And then how does the side look?
Whoa!
Yeah, it slides open.
Oh, now see the back. And now I'm going to open.
Okay.
That was weird.
Slide it out of the case first.
Right? What do I do now? Whoa! Look how she looks.
Yeah, shiny, huh? You gotta show them. Show them how it looks like. Yeah. Okay. Now we're gonna take it out. And take off the wrapping.
Ooh. But we're not done wrapping this off. Or we could just do it some more. Oh, I get it now. Wait. And we can just do this side. It might come off. Oh. Hey guys, I'm having trouble opening this. Oh, I'm trying to push this all the way out. I'm having trouble, so I need my dad to help me. I'm having trouble. Come on. Yes. I'm doing this, guys. Ugh. Thanks, Dad. Here it looks.
Show the top. Show the bottom. And let's compare it with this one.
And here's the other Alexa. Which one do you think is bigger? This one or this one?
What else is in the box? There's probably the power supply in there. Look, see? Yeah.
What's under here?
Instructions. Show them the instructions.
That's big.
Yeah, wow. Yep. What else is in there? Probably a cable, right? Is it missing a cable or something? Oh, there it goes.
Whoa. Let's open this up.
It looks like it comes with two cables. One is a audio cable, right? What cable is that? Take it out. Oh, that looks like the power cable. And that one is an audio cable. So show people the cable.
Whoa.
Show people each end. You see the ends. One is a USB, right? This one is a USB.
Which one is this?
And this is the micro USB.
Okay.
And that's the power, right? And then the other cable. What is that?
I don't know.
It's an audio cable. It has the three. No, don't put it in your ears. So show people. That is a 3.5 millimeter stereo jack. Right?
Yeah.
And then look at Alexa. Look at the new Alexa. Where does it go? Show people where that plug is gonna go.
Wait, Dad, I don't think we opened the wrapper.
Yeah, you can unwrap that too. Just pull out like this.
How? I'm having trouble.
Let me show you.
Oh.
You have to unwrap it like this.
Oh, help. Thanks. Whoa. Yeah. Yeah. Whoa. Okay, where does this go?
That goes into power, but connect that to this on the other side.
I don't think that fits.
If it doesn't fit, you have to flip it over. Flip it. Turn it around. Turn it around. Yeah. There it goes. And then where does it go into the Amazon Dot? That's called Amazon Dot because it's so small. One side, this one, this side. Give me that. Let me use this. You can show people where to connect it. Look.
Oh.
You have to show them. Show them.
Where it has to connect is here.
Mm-hmm.
And when I plug it in, it works.
Yep. Now I'm going to plug this into the power, okay?
And now we're going to plug it into the power. Okay, where's the power? Okay, and there it goes. Dad, you want to test it out?
Mm-hmm. Hold on.
Alexa, tell us a knock-knock joke. Dad?
Mm-hmm.
I just asked her something and it didn't work.
Because I have to set it up.
Oh.
So we go through the same procedure.
Hello. Your Amazon Echo Dot is ready for setup. Just follow the instructions in your Alexa app.
You first have to connect it.
You've
Your
connected to
Wi-Fi.
Echo Dot. Go ahead and finish the setup in your Alexa app.
Then you have to open up Alexa.
Open up this.
No. Papa showing people. And then now we're gonna choose to set up the dot. And then let's connect it via Wi-Fi. Orange ring is happening. You can see it's orange.
Yeah.
It says orange.
And just so you know, my dad is 43.
And that's it. Continue.
What should we do now? Watch out! We got it. Okay.
Okay, it's almost done.
Tell me when it's finished. Should I test it out so they can see?
No, just for show. To see how much bigger this one is to this one. See how big it is?
Dad, let's not actually make it short.
Okay.
Let's make it long. Okay, so when it's done, we can test it out. Wait. Also, my name is Lucas. My last name is Moy. I'm only 5 years old. How old are you guys? I don't hear it. Because I'm a listener. I'm just kidding. Okay, Dad, is Alexa done right now?
No, still setting up.
Okay.
Takes a while.
I should have said Alexa. Alexa, because over here.
Oh, that one's off.
Oh,
I
good.
plugged it in, so it's not gonna do anything.
Alexa,
Mm,
good.
see.
Good thing it didn't work.
Or I can put a mute button if it was on, and then you can't say anything.
Alexa,
Same thing over here. It has the mute button and then the command button. Hold on. Yeah.
tell me when it's done.
It's almost done.
How many more seconds?
We're still preparing it. It's trying to connect to our
Can I see
Wi-Fi.
it? I want to see it. Oh. That's not pretty much too close, but it is close.
Mm-hmm. Hey, how come it didn't work?
What?
Oh.
Okay, this is a problem, everybody. This is not an invasion like this.
Let me try something else.
Guys, look behind yourself. I'm just kidding. Yeah, I'm just kidding. Guys, I think I have to pee. I'm just kidding. Dad, can I see how close it is now?
No, there's a problem registering the device. I wonder why.
Maybe because of this one you use too much. Okay, guys, this is becoming a problem. This one is a lot bigger than this one.
Yeah, so it rebooted. Still trying to connect.
Alexa, 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 Alexa. Command. You. Guys, we're still waiting. We can just skip this.
Something's wrong with the setup.
Yeah,
Maybe you have to reboot it.
reboot it. Alexa, take this. Alexa, Alexa,
There was an error
Alexa.
registering on your device.
Alexa,
Please,
Alexa, 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 answer me. Did you see that? Did you see that blue thing?
Let's try restarting it.
Oh, I know why. Because this thing wasn't fully in. That's scary.
It's still pretty loud. Huh?
Hello. Your Amazon Echo Dot is ready for setup. Just follow the instructions in your Alexa app.
This is what it looks like.
Now we're gonna try
Whoa!
connecting to it again.
I just saw it turn blue again.
Yeah.
What the?
We're trying to connect to it.
It's still going to go right now, kids. And also, we're still waiting. What we're going to have for dinner, I don't know. But we just had lunch. It was Moe's. Have you go to there? If you're in Chinatown. I think you're a little weird.
What did you eat at Moe's?
I ate a taco only with meat. And I had some chips, but I only bring that home. And I had juice. Oh, dang it. This is itchy. Ah.
I wonder why it's not working.
Wake up, Alexa. Wakey up. Wakey up. Oh, come on. Come on. Come on. Command. Command. Block. Command block. You cheated. Aiden. Dad.
Mm-hmm.
Dad.
Mm-hmm.
Dad.
What?
Oh, if I missed to get rid of it. Dad.
Yes.
Dad.
Hey, look, it went offline. Oh, does that mean that it's working? Alexa. Oh, look, it's working here. Try it.
Alexa. Tell us a knock-knock joke.
Knock, knock. Who's there? Claire. Claire who? Clear the way. I'm coming through.
This is how Alexa works.
So, it's the same thing. The volume knob is on the top. And it looks exactly the same, right? Look.
It has the same top over here, but this one is larger than this one.
How it looks like. It's exactly the same.
The top is the same as this top. But this is a lot more taller than this thing.
This one is the Echo, and this one is the Dot. And this one has the same exact speaker array on the top, and the volume button. I mean the volume ring. Go ahead, say something.
To her,
Mm-hmm.
a command.
Yeah.
Alexa, feed me.
Say something.
I said something.
Tell me a knock knock joke.
Alexa, tell me a knock-knock joke.
Knock, knock. Who's there? Figs. Figs who? Figs the doorbell. It's broken.
Pigs. So now we're done testing out this thing. So now we're going to try out this thing.
No.
Please.
No. Now you're done, and then what?
Thanks for watching, YouTubers. Be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching, everybody. Subscribe, everybody. Check.
Yeah, just say.
We unboxed it.
Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 5:07.
Alexa, set timer for 10 seconds.
10 seconds. Starting now.
Alexa, stop. Alexa, play some Prime music.
Here's a prime station you might like. Tony Bennett.
Alexa, stop. Alexa, play some Prime music.
Here's a prime station you might like. Ella Fitzgerald.
Alexa, stop. Alexa, turn on the lights.
I found several devices matching that name. Which one did you want?
Office light.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off the office light.
Okay.